And here it is.
This is not just an air show display, this is a tactical demonstration of this aircraft which can do many missions in one. Anything from carrying strategic loads over vast distances in excess of 4,800 miles.
We turn straight up to take off, climbing to about 1,000 feet, and then it's descending back to the display line. Speed somewhere in the region of 160 to 180 knots at this point. And then it'll be entering a climbing turn in front of us.
It's the design philosophy for the tactical environment. It's what makes this aircraft such an exciting aircraft to display. Side stick control coupled with advanced fly-by-wire, flight envelope protection system giving virtually carefree handling. Unusually for a large aircraft, head-up displays which enable the pilots to keep their eyes out the cockpit, and extensive use of carbon fibre, in particular in the wings, giving the aircraft 2.5G capability, 120 degrees angle of bank, which we'll see very shortly, and a 60-degree pitch capability.
Of these aircraft currently either on order or delivered to Germany, France, Spain, the UK, Turkey, Belgium, Malaysia, Luxembourg, which will be operated by ones have been up to. Number 70 Squadron using them on global strategic missions. Number 24 Squadron doing the crew training. This slow-speed fly-past demonstrates the aircraft also flies slowly enough to act as an air-to-air refueling tanker for helicopters.
Talking of that delivery of palletized stores.
Up to 250 to 280 knots, and this last pass pull-up from low level into a steep wing over, possibly as steep as 120 degrees, another one of these manoeuvres with tactical relevance, showing how the aircraft could rapidly evade small arms fire or the risk of detection from hand pads and the like. And just as rapidly, the aircraft returning to low level.
Legacy tactical airlifters have good tactical performance, but probably not as good as
Much else, and they found the Atlas was able to deliver bigger loads than the Hercules into the sort of airfields that previously the Hercules was the largest aircraft that could operate into. Now, another part of the tactical demonstration, the steep approach and the short landing.
This will be enabled by those huge scimitar propellers being put into the beta position and producing forward thrust to retard the forward speed of the aircraft. Reproduction of the best A400M public displays here at Riyadh this weekend.